Hey guys, so following on from my last tea video where I did a bird and blend tea haul, I'm now going to make up the matcha teas and review them. The first one I'm making up is the activated charcoal tea. This one is quite gritty. The Coco matcha. The orange and passion fruit matcha. Tumeric matcha. And finally the Pina Colada matcha. I have now made up the matcha teas and I'm going to try them. So the first one I'm going to try is this Coco matcha tea. So it smells like cocoa. It smells like a bar of chocolate, so let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, that's really nice. It tastes like chocolate, but it's not too sweet like hot chocolate. It's just got a nice cocoa note in there. And that's a smooth flavour as well. I like that one. Next one I'm going to try is the orange and passion fruit one. It smells like green tea, so I'm not getting any orange or passion fruit scents through. Let's try it. I can't taste any orange or passion fruit whatsoever, so I'm not sure whether I didn't put enough matcha in to the water ratio, but I'm not getting any flavour at all. It's a good quality green tea. It's a nice dark colour and it's mixed in very well, but I can't taste any of the orange or passion fruit, so I'm not sure about that one. I've got the activated charcoal black magic. It says it has a coconut flavour in with it, but it actually smells like chocolate. It smells more chocolatey than the cocoa one. Okay. I like this one. It tastes like chocolate and coconut. Considering that it was quite a gritty matcha powder, it's actually gone really smooth and it gives a nice drink. Yeah, I really like this one. I'm just going to try the turmeric matcha tea. Wow, that's really peppery. Yeah, that's a really peppery drink. So if you don't like peppery drinks, don't go for this one. So knowing that, I personally wouldn't go for it again as I'm not fond of peppery drinks, but maybe as a latte it wouldn't be too bad, so I'll try it as a latte and see how potent the black pepper is. And the last one to try is this Pina Colada one, which I've been looking forward to trying. Wow, it's so sweet. It smells like coconut and pineapple. Wow, yeah, that's really nice. It doesn't taste oversweet and it doesn't taste bland either. It's got just the right balance of coconut and pineapple in there. Wow, yeah, that's really nice. So, I think overall my favourites are these three. So that is the Coco one, which was really nice, and the Black Magic one was really nice, the Pina Colada one is really nice, but the turmeric one was too spicy for me, this one. So the turmeric one is too spicy, and this one, which is orange and passion fruit, it hasn't actually got any flavouring to it, so I'm afraid I wouldn't get those two again. And that's my review of my tea haul from Bird and Blend. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful.